Hi everyone, I just wanted to apologize and let everyone know that I won't be doing my weekly Halloween dish this week. And Dave won't taste test it. We drove 350 miles so I could close on my mom's probate house. And Dave wanted to take his mini Mavic for a spin. It got stuck in a tree, so he decided to climb up the tree. And he fell. We called the ambulance. Took him to the first hospital for a CT scan. Time to go to the other hospital for an MRI. He has some spinal fractures and a couple of torn ligaments and will be put in a body cast. He should be released in a couple of days, but he has a long road ahead of him. Please go give him some love and prayers and visit his channels, David Does Stuff and RC Mod Squad. Thank you and have a good day.